got us a load. Oh, hit the road again. It's time to hit the road again. We're here at the John Deere. Gotta wait for these trucks to move, and then we'll take their spot. And then we gotta walk up there where the ramp is and check in with the window, and then come back to our truck, and then they'll tell us what door to go to. But when I was getting checked in, the guy was like, "Man, we gotta hurry up. You got literally 2 minutes before your load gets canceled." I was like, "Well, they told me to come 12 o'clock, so it's like 12:10." So it's like, "Yeah, they're about to cancel your load. Let's hurry up." So he checked me in. He's like, "All right, I got you. You good?" I was like, "All right." Let's see what tractors we need to get. Why do I love picking up tractors so much? I don't know. Maybe it's because I got one at home. I just love tractors, but they pay good, so I'll keep shipping them as long as they keep paying me. Gave me an option this time. Said, "Do you want a strap or do you want a brace?" I said, "I'll strap." I don't like putting nails in my floor and trying to hammer up the braces. So we stopped at the rest area, heating up some food in our microwave. I'll walk around a little bit, probably use the bathroom. And we got about another hour and a half, and then we'll stop for fuel. Go ahead and fuel all the way up because it's cheap in Virginia before we get to like upstate New York and all that, and Pennsylvania, where it'll be probably $5.50, $6 a gallon. So try to get it when we can. Stopped at Withersfield, Virginia, at the TA to get fuel, DEF fluid, and then keep driving. That's a Lowe's, and this is a Walmart. About to go in here, call it a night, get some groceries, bring them back to the truck, get some sleep.
Well, the rain's holding on.
I got a 1025 at home. Well, we parked over here in the Verizon parking lot. About to go get us some coffee, Tim Hortons, and eat our dinner. I called the next place. They stopped receiving at 4 o'clock, they said, and we would have been there at 5. So I called back to find out if they got parking or if they closed the gate. The guy said that somebody will be there at 5 to take it, but then I forgot I got to take my 30-minute break, so Guess I'll just wake up there in the morning and deliver there. Somebody's still here, so they're gonna unload me, so that's good. He said, "Oh, I get you, man. Don't worry about it." I was like, "All right." We have one tractor. Let's get it off. Done, son. Got all the tractors off in 2 days. That's good. It's all the time. What's your truck number? So I was in Home Depot. Since we parked right here, I got two number 1 reflective stickers. I'll just stick it on my truck, putting it there. So, sticks out like a sore thumb, really, but hey, it's all right. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment below. Stay blessed. See you on the next one.